Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your chest size? Do you want to learn how to naturally increase your chest size and feel confident in your own skin? If so, then you've come to the right place. Having a well-defined chest is not just aesthetically pleasing but also signifies strength and power. While there is no magic formula to instantly achieve a bigger chest, there are natural ways to increase chest size that can be done at home. The first key to increasing your chest size is to incorporate chest exercises into your fitness routine. Exercises such as push-ups, chest presses, and dumbbell flies target the chest muscles and help stimulate growth. Dips are another effective exercise that targets the chest muscles. They engage the triceps and shoulders as well, providing a full upper body workout. You can do dips using a bench, chair, or parallel bars. Proper nutrition is also crucial for chest growth. Consuming enough protein is important to support muscle growth. Good sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, and protein shakes. Using resistance bands is an effective way to increase chest size naturally. Resistance bands provide extra resistance during exercises, helping to stimulate muscle growth. Incorporating resistance bands into your chest presses, flies, and push-ups can help take your chest workout to the next level. Lastly, plyometric exercises can also help increase chest size naturally. These exercises involve explosive movements, which can help stimulate muscle growth. Plyometric push-ups are a great example of a plyometric exercise that targets the chest muscles. By incorporating these natural methods into your fitness routine, you can unlock the secrets to increasing your chest size naturally. Remember to be patient and consistent with your workouts and nutrition. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve a bigger, stronger, and more defined chest. Thanks for watching.